Okay, this is week 3, semester 2 for the math challenge for 5th grade. So let's go ahead and get started with question number 1. Read the question number 1, please, Quentin. Read question number 1. What do you think you got? Okay. What's question number 2? So she bought a toy for $6 and then she bought a toy for $5. How much money did she have? You need to change that. That's not how it works. That goes in the front. Question number 3. Playing with cubes. He has 5 cubes. How many more cubes do we need? Okay, so let's take a look at figure 1. How many cubes are in figure 1? So there's 1, 2, 3 right there, right? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and that's this part right here. Do you see that? And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 15 cubes, right? Okay. And so he has 5 already. So how many more does he need? So what do you do with the 2? Yeah. So you just take 15 minus 5. 10 what? Yeah. I want you to go ahead and take a look at number 4 on your own. Read question number 4. Evan's collection is stuffed animals. He has 7 bears. How many stuffed animals does he have? Half of his are stuffed animal or bears. 7 bears. So if half equals 7, then the whole collection equals what? 14. Okay. Number 5. Number 5. A toy store is running a promotion where customers can buy 4 toys for the price paid. But the cheapest toy is the free one. Okay. Which one's the cheapest one? I know, but which one's the cheapest right here? How many dollars? 28. So we're not going to count that one because that one's free, right? So then what do you do with the other 3? It's free because remember they said the cheapest one is free. The cheapest toy is free, right? Which one's the cheapest? $28. We're not going to include it. When you add everything together, what do you get? 6. Yeah, where's your dollar sign? It's not $4 equals 3 toys. That's not correct. Erase that. Just erase the whole thing here. This is not good. Get rid of that. Okay. But other than that, you did the math correctly. Just make sure your dollar sign's in the front. You know what goes on the end? If it's 14 cents, the cents go on the end. Okay. All right. Question number 6. Go ahead. Read it, please. The toy store has a collection of various toy cars, each with a different price. John wants to buy a few toy cars, and he has $20 to spend. The prices of the cars are $4, $5, $6, $7, $9, and $12. What is the maximum number of different or unique toy cars that? Okay. Keep reading. John wants to buy a few toy cars. He has $20 to spend. The price of the toy cars are $4, $5, $6, $7, $9, and $12. What is the maximum number of different or unique toy cars that John can buy within his budget? So he has $20, right? Each with a different price. John wants to buy a few toy cars. So he has $20. So he could do the 4, 5, 6 If he does a 4, 5, 6, let's see, that's gonna give you 11, 15, but he can't buy the $6 or $7 because go over. So this is one option, okay? Second option, you could do a 4, 5, and 7, because when you add it together, it gives you a what? $16. That's still, it needs to be under how much? 20. Is it under so far? Yeah. So let's start with a 4. 4, 5. Can he does 4, 5, and 9? How much is that? That could be 1. Fourth one, can he do 4, 5, and 12? Yes. Can he do that? Really? It gets 21. Can't do that one. It's right there, so you need to pay attention. Let's see, start with a 5. Can he do a 5, 6, and 7? Does that work? You need to go in order. If you don't go in order, then you're gonna have a bunch of jumbled messes. Can he do a 4, 6, and 5, 6, and 7? What does that give you? How much is it? Okay, fifth one. Can he do a 5, 7, and 9? How much will that give you? 21? Okay, so no, he can't do that one. So we're gonna cross it out. What's another combination he can do? 3 of them. You can't do 4 of them, because if I do 4, 5, 6, 7, this will be too much. So you can't do 4. You could do 2. He could do, well, let's make sure we maximize everything. Hold on. 5, 6. Okay, let's do 4 and 5. Can we do 4 and 5? Okay. Can we do 4 and 6? Okay. Can we do 4 and 7? Yeah. Okay. Can we do 4 and 9? Yeah. Can we do 4 and 12? Yes. So far we have 9 different options, and they don't go over $20. Now let's try something else besides 4. We use all of 4. What if we do 5 and 6? Can we do 5 and 6? Can we do 5 and 6? 5 and 7? Can we do 5 and 9? Can we do 5 and 12? Okay. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, so then, so that's 13, here's 14. Can we do 6 and 7? Yes. Now 6 and 9. Yes. 6 and 12. Okay, now let's try 7. Can we do a 7 and a 9? 6 and 5. We already did 5 and 6. 5 and 6 right here. There's no 2. Pay attention. 7 and 9. What about 9 and 12? Can you do 9 and 12? No. So how many options are there? 17. I thought it's correct. No, you have a 1,7. I don't know what that is, but get rid of that then. I don't know what this says. All right, so we're gonna go on to the next one then. Okay, number 7. Go ahead and read number 7, please. Monday, not all Mondays. Like some Mondays, and it always ends on Friday. That's great, but normally you have the entire month to do this. So you got it today, which is a Monday. If it's due on Friday, you have less than 5 days to do it. All right, number 7. Go ahead. Go ahead. Has 12 action figures, and Samara has 6 action figures. They want to have an equal number of toys. How many action figures should Shell give to Samara? This one looks a bit easy. Why didn't you try to figure it out on your own then? I want you to go ahead and try to figure this out on your own. Okay, number 7. So let's balance it out. Let's say for himself, give Samara 2. What's 12 minus 2? What's 6 plus 2? No? Do they have the same number then? It is. So the minus 1, 9 and 9. So then how many did Sal? So how many did Sal give to Samara? Yeah. 3. Action figures. No, action figures. All right, question number 8. Read question number 8, please. It takes 20 minutes to assemble one toy robot. 5 minutes to package it. If a toy maker has to assemble 6 toy robot, how long in hours and minutes will it take to do this? So 20 minutes times 6 plus 5 times 6, right? 20 times 6, this right here is how long it takes to assemble 6 toys, right? This right here. No, it's 20 times 6. It's 20 minutes to assemble one toy. There's 6 toys. Yeah, so you can either do it this way or 25 times 6. What's 25? What is 25 times 6? It's the same thing. I'm in the middle of something. Go. What's 25 times 6? What do you need? No, you didn't eat your dinner, so I'm not doing it for you. 150 minutes. So it's 2 hours and how many minutes? Good job. All right. Because if you keep practicing with a printer, you will be able to do it too, because you have a very great mind when it comes to math. Number 9. Ethan has a collection of toy soldiers. He has 3 shelves to display his collection, and each shelf, so he has 3 shelves. Each shelf can hold 12 toys. He already has 28 toy soldiers. How many more toy soldiers can he fit in the display? So he has 3 shelves. 1, 2, 3. So he has 12, 12. So what is that? What's 12 plus 12? What's 12 plus 12? 24. So he has 28. So he has 4 right here. So plus the 4, he gets 28. 12 and 12 is 24. He has a total of 28 toys. So how many toys does he have on the 3rd shelf? He has 4 of them. So how many more can he put on here? How many more toys? He could put a total of 12. What's 12 minus 4? 8. You could have done 3 times 12. Fine, that's fine. Quentin, I don't care. It's fine. If you want to do it that way, that's fine. Question number 10 and 11. Let's go. Read number 10, please. Question number 10, please. Number 10. Lloyd sells toy cars for $8 each and a toy train for $10. That's a super deal. In a day, they sell 50 toy cars and 30 trains. That's a lot of money, so like, if the store owners cost for each toy is $5 and each toy train is $7. Calculate the store's total profit for the day. Why do I do that? A profit is a financial gain. The difference between the amount earned and the amount spent on Chrysler sells toy cars for $8, trains for $10. In a day, they sell 50 toy cars and 30 trains. Okay, so if the toy owner's cost for each toy is $5 and each train is $7, calculate the profit. Okay. So this is how much they're selling for, right? And then this is cost. So you have 2 different ones. Are we gonna stop or do I need to just go to bed? Because I'm done. So you have cars. So he has 50 cars, sell the cars for $8. So 50 times 8 is how much? 400, okay? The cost for the car is $5, right? So 50 times 5 is? Yeah, the profit means you have to subtract the two. So 400 minus 250 is what? No. This is how much he earned. Does that make sense? Okay, so then I want to look at the trains. Trains, he has 30 trains, and they're sold for $10 a piece. What's 30 times 10? So the cost of selling the train is 30. He's going to sell them for $7, or the cost of it is $7. So what's 30 times 7? So what's 300 minus 210? $300 minus 210. Yeah, so then let's add the profit together. What's 150 plus 90? What's his total profit? Add it together in your head. $240 is profit, so that's what we need right now. That's why I give you time to go and work on this all around. A toy manufacturer company produces air. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm gonna have another one. So, okay. So number 11, a toy manufacturer company produces airplane toys. A machine takes 2 hours to produce one toy airplane. It can only process one toy airplane at a time. If the company has a manufacturer 120 airplanes, how many hours does it take to complete the task if they have 3 machines working simultaneously? So they have 3 machines, okay? One machine takes 2 hours to produce one airplane, right? So 120 airplanes, right? But then there are 3 machines. So divided by 3 machines, which will give you the number of airplanes that's produced by one machine, right? So what's that number? What's 120 divided by 3? So each machine is going to be producing 40 airplanes, right? If it's going to take 2 hours, 40 times 2, what is that? 80. So it's going to take 80 hours with 3 machines. Does that make sense? Is that what you have? Okay, number 12. Go ahead and read number 12, please. On Monday, each of the 60 second grader, except 3 of them, bought one toy each. So 60 except for 3. So what's 60 minus 3? 57 toys, right? Okay, that's for second grader. On Tuesday, half of 52 third graders bought 2 toys each. But do you see how the half and the 2 toys just cancel? Do you? Okay, fine. Half of 52. What's half of 52? What's 52 divided by 2? Just divide it on your paper. I completely forgot about it. Okay, double it because you have 2 toys each. So what's 26 times 2? 52 toys. And the other half is also 26, right? Other 26 bought 1. So what's 52 plus 26? Yep. So they bought 78 toys altogether. So that's third graders. On Wednesday, a third or fourth grader. What's 42 divided by 3? You can go ahead and write it down if you need to.
Let's try 1 3 divided by 42 graded. That's 14.
14. They bought 2 toys each, so times by 2. So how many toys did they bring? 28 toys. Okay. So there are 28 toys right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight it. Then another third means there's 14 brought 1 toy. So what's 28 plus 14?
42.
Good. Thursday, fourth graders of 58 or fourth of 56 fifth graders. So what's 56 divided by 4?
Wait, 56
Divided by 4, because there's a 4. So it's divided by 4. Okay. And another fourth, so 14, another fourth, which is 14, brought 2 toys. So times it by 2. What's 28 plus 14?
I think that's going to be 42.
Yeah. Friday, 38 first graders participated and each bought 1 toy. So that's 38. So now you're going to take 57 plus 78 plus 42 plus 42 plus 38. You need to add all of that together.
98, 38. Was that 200?
All right, when you add everything together, what do you have?
You have 200.
21, 25. 287 toys. Make sure you get that number, okay? We're gonna stop it right here and then we will continue tomorrow.